Okay, this lesson is going to be not as much talking today because I have set several problems up within this presentation that you need to make sure you take notes on because some of this may show up later in your problem set, so make sure you take good notes today. I can solve two-step word problems, including multiplicative comparison. So, multiplicative comparison is comparing multiplication sentences. Time to give your brain a workout. Go ahead, pause, and do these mental math problems. Okay, show the following with discs on the place value chart. Just a reminder, when I have 245, I have 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. And how many times does that happen? Times 2. So, solve each of the 3 problems. The table shows the cost of party favors. Each party guest receives 1 bag with 1 balloon, 1 lollipop, and 1 bracelet. What is the total cost for 9 guests? Now, I have already set up the tape diagrams for you. Your job is to figure out how you're going to use them. So, pause it and think about how you're going to use it. What do you see right here? We have 3 boxes. We have 3 items. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. Go ahead, work through the problem, see if you can solve it. Okay? We'll go ahead and go through this. We have 1 balloon. The balloon costs 26. The lollipop costs 14, and the bracelet costs 33 cents. What is the total amount for those 3 items? What do I need to do? Okay, you're going to add it. 26, 14. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus another one is 4. 40 plus 33. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. So in all, this costs 73 cents. That doesn't look like a very good cent sign. There we go, 73 cents. Now, we have a total of 9 guests. Each guest gets those 3 items. So that means I'm going to spend 73 cents on this guest, 73 on this guest, and I'm going to spend 73 cents on all these guests. What's an easier way to solve this than writing 73 cents in every box and then just adding them up? What is an easier way to solve? Excuse me. Okay. What if I do this? 73 cents times 9. Go ahead and solve it. And what is the total cost for the 9 guests? Okay, the Turner family uses 548 liters of water per day. The Hill family uses 3 times as much water per day. How much water does the Hill family use per week? Per week. So how are you going to solve this? because this is per day. They want to know per week. So go ahead and pause and solve this problem. Make sure you take good notes because I'm not going to go through it with you. Okay, Jaden has 347 marbles. Elvis has 4 times as many as Jaden. Presley has 799 fewer than Elvis. I think Engage New York's trying to get a little funny on their names here. How many marbles does Presley have? Okay, look at the tape diagrams. How are you going to fill those out? Go ahead, pause, and solve. Write an equation that would allow someone to find the value of R. So pause it and write an equation. Think about what kind of problem, word problem, could you write that would find the value of R? And I don't even think they want you to write a word problem. I think they want you to write an equation. So what could you do? What do we call R? What is R? R is the, what is that word that I'm looking for? It's something that replaces an unknown quantity in a problem. What is that called? R is the variable. In this one, you're going to write your own word problem to correspond to the tape diagram, and then you're going to solve it. So go ahead and pause and come up with your own word problem. Oh, let's look at the problem set. Oh, the table shows the cost of party favors. Each party guest receives a bag with 1 balloon, 1 lollipop, 1 bracelet. What is the total cost for 9 guests? I feel like I've seen this somewhere before. Oh, look at number 2. The Turner family uses 548 liters of water per day. The Hill family uses 3 times as much water per day. How much water does the Hill family use per week? Hopefully you took good notes because it looks like your problem set for today is what we just went over.